Hello, my name is Ally Christel, and today we have a special new segment called Sailor Sweets, because who doesn't love a good dessert? Today we're going to be looking at two dessert recipes. The classic brownie, because you can never go wrong with a brownie, and we're also going to be learning how to make a traditional Australian dessert called Pavlova. So let's get to the kitchen with our guest chef Ariana Boock showing us her favorite brownie recipe. Those look amazing and so fun and easy to make. Brownies are a classic in everyone's childhood, but in my Australian house, we grew up on Pavlova. Here's how to make it. Hello and welcome back to Ally's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making Pavlova, which is an Australian meringue dessert. This is my all-time favorite dessert, so let's get started. First, separate 4 eggs and set the whites aside for 20 minutes. This will help it rise and harden on the outside better. We won't need the yolks. Take a food processor and add 1 cup of sugar. Blend it on high for 1 minute. After 20 minutes, beat the egg yolks on high speed until they hold soft peaks. Start the mixer on a low speed and add the sugar 1 spoonful at a time. Once it's all in, turn the mixer up high and mix until there are no sugar grits left when you feel it. Add vinegar and cornstarch and fold in with a spatula. This will help give it a glossy look on the outside while keeping it soft and squishy in the middle. Add onto a baking sheet and shape into a kind of nest shape. Bake at 250 for 1 hour and 15 minutes. And that's it. This is my favorite dessert to bring to any party or holiday celebration. It's also very versatile. You can add whipped cream and fruit or even experiment with some extracts. That's all for Ally's Kitchen. See you next time. These always remind me of my childhood and visiting my family in Australia. These are both so easy to make and would make a great family activity. That's all for this episode of Sailor Sweets. And if you have any good recipes, please feel free to share them with us here at Sailor Station. For all things Sailor Nation, we are the Sailor Station.